Action.
At the movies, you will never see Vaughn Taylor. You'll never see Rachel Weaver either, not up there on the big screen. Ah, got me right in the gut.
Or the pumpkin.
But you will hear them both.
Okay.
And cut.
Rachel and Vaughn work behind the scenes.
And action.
And how do you do it?
Cornstarch in a pillowcase.
Behind the background sounds in film. If they gave an Oscar for what you do, what would that sound like?
Oh gosh. Well, it would sound like me running up the stage anxiously to accept the Oscar.
And then
oh, God.
the surprise, but of course you already wrote acceptance speech.
Absolutely. I would like to thank the Academy. As soon as somebody handed me the award itself, knowing me, I would drop it.
Oops. I hope you don't hit Meryl Streep sitting in the front row.
Action.
At their New Orleans recording studio, they tag team to make motion pictures possible.
It's a bag of Chewies, got some ramen, sticks and leaves from the yard, some pina colada candy, and garlic.
The recipe for fire.
When you're watching a movie, all the big microphones are for the big stars. But everything else you hear in a movie, that's our job.
It's not noise, it's necessary.
Well, unless making a lot of noise is necessary.
And that's your job too.
Oh, we can make a lot of noise.
Sometimes they travel outside the studio to record real life. Like a couple of casting directors with an ear for what an audience needs to hear.
And cut.
In your job, what does it take to knock it out of the park?
Attention to detail and a sense of humor. We could isolate that and pull that up.
They may not be movie stars, but without them,
Just like that. Breaking bones.
the sound of movies would be the sound of silence. Bill Wood, WGNO News.